If you've forgotten your Peacock password or need to reset it for any reason, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Go to the Peacock login page. Open your web browser and navigate to the Peacock login page. This is where you will start the password reset process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it to initiate the password reset procedure. Step 3. Enter your email address. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Peacock account. Type in your email and submit the form. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your email, check your inbox for password reset email from Peacock. Be sure to check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it in your main inbox. Step 5. Follow the reset instructions. Open the email and click on the password reset link provided. Follow the instructions to create a new password for your account. Once you have successfully reset your password, you can log into your Peacock account with your new credentials. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Peacock support for further assistance.